Once you completed roughing toolpath with the available 2D wireframe modeling using both curve selection and feature set method, we can also create a finishing toolpath in the similar manner. For that, I'm selecting my 2D curve profile first. Inside this page, selecting my tool, come back to your curve profile page, reuse your pattern here, which I had pre-created in the roughing toolpath. Lower limit say -10 mm. Coming to cut distance, select your limits option and say your depth of cut as 0.5. Now I'm using a cutter compensation enabled here with full radius as my type. Go into your lead in lead out page and change your horizontal arc as your type and make angle as 90° and 5 mm as your radius. Copy that to lead out also, and finally you just change all your feed and speed data and just say calculate the toolpath. As you can see here that there is a lead in lead out takes place for cutter compensation. Come back to your feature set method, enable your previous feature set and call your feature profile as your type of strategy. In this, select all the machinable feature and select your tool as well, and in here in the profile, if you wish you can keep your thickness, otherwise you put 0 for finishing, and your step down as 0.5. Still my cutter compensation is enabled with full radius on, and calculate the profile as well. You can see here you can create a finishing toolpath by using a curve selection method and feature set method using a wireframe model.